Sing to the mountains, sing to the sea. Raise your voices, lift your heart. This is the day the Lord has given. Let all the earth rejoice. I am a part of you, my Lord. You have answered my prayer. You have saved my soul from there. You are my strength and my sword. Sing to the mountain, sing to the sea. Raise your voices, lift your heart. This is the day the Lord has given. Let all the earth rejoice.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
The Gospel according to St. Luke, chapter 1, verse 26 to 31. The birth of Jesus foretold. In the 6th month, the angel Gabriel was sent by God to a town in Galilee called Nazareth, to a virgin engaged to a man whose name was Joseph, of the house of David. The virgin's name was Mary, and he came to her and said, "Greetings, favored one, the Lord is with you." But she was much perplexed by his words and pondered what sort of greeting this might be. The angel said to her, "Do not be afraid, Mary, for you have found favor with God, and now you will conceive in your womb and bear a son, and you will name him Jesus."
Good morning to all. Thought for the day. If you want to achieve something in life, change your way, not intention. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Today's news headlines. India announcing diplomat boycott of opening and closing ceremony of Winter Olympics. Pune-based Seoul Institute of India and UNICEF have entered into a long-term supply agreement for offloading the Novavax vaccine with the UN Children's Agency, saying it will have access to up to 1.1 billion doses of vaccines for around 100 countries. The Railways Board told Kerala High Court it is advisable that proceeding of land for the proposed high-speed line be stopped at the stage that the feasibility of its current alignment has not been agreed by Ministry of Railways. NATO said Russia has stepped by diplomats to Ukraine's northern regions below and is expected to 3,000 troops. Maximum 20 people will be allowed in the shrines on Sunday. Kerala decided to reopen schools and colleges in February 7th and 14th. Kerala logs 38,684 new COVID cases. Today's sports news. Rohit Sharma wished to take forward Virat Kohli OOT templates as India captain. Australia appointed Andrews MC Donald as internal head coach after the justings. That's all for today's news. Thank you and have a nice day.
A warm good morning to all. Today I am going to say a few words about value of education. Education means learning or studying, accepting knowledge and cultural heritage. Value of education also helps the students to become more and more responsible and sensible. It's helped to understand the perspective of life in a better way and lead a successful life as a responsible citizen. It's helped the students to develop a strong relationship with the family and friends. Value of education therefore promotes tolerance and understanding above and behind our political, culture and religion difference. The importance of hard work and the same time help to grow and develop. Thus, we are able to shape a better society live in by knowing and respecting rights, laws, and regulations. Thank you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगल गायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे